Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we definitely got pullbacks yesterday. Wasn't expecting that kind of deep pullbacks that we got, but nevertheless it does look like it could be an inside bar forming, but obviously we need to break below the low of yesterday for that to be validated, and it could also be a triangle forming at the moment. So I think at the moment let's just keep that level in check. That is the level we need to break through to target the next level higher up. Okay, so I suppose we'll need one for the downside, and we've got one quite far down. I think let's do that. There we go. Okay, so let's just get these levels on the 3 hour. So firstly, trend is up. Okay, there's a couple of things that are in play here. So you can see there's a trend line, there's a trend line. Okay, and if I take that same trend line and move it to the downside here, so there's a trend line, there will be one, and there will be one. Okay, so for all intents and purposes, we might as well just do this in a channel, because that's exactly what it is. Okay, that's our channel there. So we are in a bull channel. We are above the moving average. We are trending up. In my opinion, this is just a pullback, and we should get a second move to the upside. We should at least get a second attempt at 28,970. Okay, now yesterday's hour was messy. I mean, all these range bars here are really, really messy. And you can see looking for support, looking for support, looking for support. Broke down, closed below, open below, close below for 3 hours in a row, and then back up with a rejection. So a bit messy at the moment. I think short term for me, we've broken the downward trend of yesterday this morning, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see a pullback into this area before another move to the upside. Okay, the other thing that may just happen, which is typical US markets, is it just continues up. Okay, so for now we are still, the uptrend is very well intact, and you're looking for opportunities to buy. Yesterday really didn't give you any opportunities. This was messy. I mean, looking at the 15-minute, you can see this area here, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. And I think that's pretty much the moral of yesterday's story. Today may be slightly different. Remember, we do have earnings season kicking off, and the earnings that came out yesterday weren't too bad, but I think the announcement that Johnson & Johnson made around the virus, around the vaccine halt, so they're halting the vaccine that they're making because they've got an unexplained illness. But so that was the noise driving everything yesterday. But if you look at it on the 15-minute here, you can see looks like a rounding bottom here, breaking through some structure. So I think we're probably going to find that, looking at the daily, that was just a one bar pullback in a bull trend, and now we're looking for another attempt up. Okay, anyway, that's what I'm looking for. We'll wait for the European Open to find structure. I'd like to see a break, and the break, you're going to have to do this yourself, but the most logical area right now is 28,774. So we are above it. I want to see us move a little bit higher, come back and test it, hold it, and then opportunity to get back to the highs of yesterday and possibly slightly higher. Okay, there we go. That's it for me on the Dow Jones. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.